Now? Looking back? Yeah, that's right, like experience. You have experience now, and you got it from the past, looking back. It is the possession of an action, a situation, or experience. I lived in Russia. Now I have lived in Russia. From my point of view, the speaker, thinking about now, live in Russia is something I have an experience. I don't live there now because we're looking back. All right, most teachers and people not familiar with systemic functional linguistics will kind of go crazy here. Well, that's all right, because for learners, this really seems to make sense. Form the present perfect using have plus past participle. The past participle normally ends in ed or d. Here is the full list of conjugation in the positive. I have arrived. I've arrived. You have arrived. You've arrived. He has arrived. He's arrived. She has arrived. She's arrived. It has arrived. It's arrived. We have arrived. We've arrived. They have arrived. They've arrived. Now, the full list of conjugation in the negative. I have not talked. I haven't talked. You have not talked. You haven't talked. He has not talked. He hasn't talked. She has not talked. She hasn't talked. It has not talked. It hasn't talked. We have not talked. We haven't talked. They have not talked. They haven't talked. Question forms of the present perfect. Have plus I, you, we, they, plus listened. Has plus he, she, it, listened. Careful with the form of the past participles. A lot are irregular, like gone, bought, sung. And some don't change from the present, like run, come, or hit. You can see the full list of irregular past participles in the Matusi video Past Participles. The present perfect is used frequently in the following ways. To talk about recent actions. At 7 a.m. the teacher started the class. It's 7:01 a.m. now. The teacher has started the class. We use it to talk about experiences in our lives. I've seen the Kraken. I've fought the Navy. I've danced with the elves. We use the present perfect when we ask about people and their experiences in their lives. We usually use ever. Example, have you ever been to Japan? We use the present perfect for the past when there is no specific time. I've seen the sunrise in Tahiti, but I won't tell you when. We also use it as a frame of speaking. When we frame the speaking, we use the present perfect to set the background and use the present simple for more details. She's left the university. Now she works in a better job with more opportunities. The present perfect has some friends too. Here are the main ones you need to know. Use the present perfect with for or since to really connect the past with now. I've worked at home for 6 months. That's a period of time. I've worked at home since January, a specific time in the past. Use just to talk about things a little bit before now. That is have plus just plus past participle. Is the teacher in the classroom? Oh, he's just gone to the photocopier. Good teacher. Is that movie good? I don't know. We've just started watching it. To emphasize something happened before now or something not expected, use already with the present perfect. Are you going shopping soon? No, I've already gone shopping. Has he talked to his mother? Yeah, he's already spoken to her. Use yet with a negative to say something has not happened, but it will. Have you done your homework yet? No, but I will. They haven't sent a reply yet. Don't worry, they will. She hasn't read my message yet. Oh, she will. Yet always goes at the end of a question or negative statement. For example, I haven't learnt Arabic yet. Have we arrived yet? The present perfect, everybody, that's it. By intermediate level, you should have this grammar point and some of the uses in your speaking and writing. You'll still make mistakes with the form, sure, no problem, but you really need to understand its different uses for reading and listening in your exams. At elementary level, you just need to be aware of it, so don't stress. Hey everybody, thanks for watching. If you liked it, don't forget to press like. If you have something to say, don't forget to comment. And if you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to actually learn something from this video, you can enroll in the Matusitut Elementary English Grammar and Practice with lots and lots of activities. Okay, bye.